Hello there. Welcome to BHS Africa podcast, where we explore marine research, climate action, and local or indigenous knowledge to shape the future of our blue planet. For we believe that the more you know about our oceans, especially the Indian Ocean, the more you'll feel inspired to protect them. The truth is that you can't love what you don't know, and you cannot protect what you do not love. So learn, love, and then protect. I'm your host, Julian. Karibu sana. Today, we are looking at Kenya's brand new national strategy on green skills and jobs and what that means for those of us in the blue economy. I took part in the Green Skills and Jobs Strategy Workshop that was held in Naivasha by Kenya State Department for Labor. This was in collaboration with so many other key partners. ILO was there, UNEP, UNDP, several government agencies, the private sector, and some NGOs. I was not able to participate in the follow-up workshop or one-day workshop that was held in Nairobi. I was away in Italy at the time. So in this episode, I just want to share what this strategy actually means for Kenyans, especially the youth, entrepreneurs, and different communities. We look at where the real opportunities are and how green skills link to everyday jobs, and obviously what this also means for the blue economy. If you're wondering how to tap into Kenya's green transition, this one is for you. So karibuni sana, just sit back, relax, and we'll get into it in a minute. Thank you. So, what is the green skills and job strategy? What does this mean? In simple terms, this national strategy is Kenya's action plan for creating jobs that protect the environment. It's about moving towards a green economy where we reduce waste, switch to clean energy, and grow industries that don't harm the planet. But the shift needs people with the right skills: solar installers, organic farmers, eco designers, waste managers, digital educators, and more. The strategy itself is organized around 5 key areas. They are called the pillars of the national strategy on green skills and green jobs. These 5 key areas are green governance, green skills, green knowledge and technology transfer, green enterprises and jobs, and green finance. Let me explain how these pillars connect to you and to your future in the next couple of slides. So how does this affect you as a person? So let's say you have a small farm, or you're a boda boda rider, or you sell handmade items. What can you get from this strategy to help you advance your enterprise? When it comes to green skills, this strategy promotes training in things like solar installation, sustainable farming, and eco-friendly manufacturing. These are in-demand skills, not just in Kenya, but globally. In green jobs, you might be working in a new recycling plant, or you manage a tree nursery, or build houses using sustainable materials. This strategy offers guidance in this. Green enterprises, the third part, if you run a business, this strategy encourages eco certification, marketing support for green products, and even helps you to switch your production to more sustainable models. Green finance is also a part of this strategy. And yes, this talk of funding, from access to climate finance, tax incentives for green businesses, to cheaper loans for switching to eco production. So whether you're a youth looking for a job, a mama mboga thinking of new products, or a developer in tech, this strategy can open doors. So let's embrace it. So, as a marine scientist, this has to be my favorite part. How do green skills translate in the blue economy? So, you'll be shocked to realize that the green economy and the blue economy are not so disconnected. Green skills and green jobs are deeply connected to the blue economy. The blue economy focuses on the sustainable use of oceans and water based resources. In Kenya, this includes sectors like marine tourism, coastal fisheries, seaweed farming, mangrove restoration, offshore renewable energy, and so many other areas. For most of these industries to thrive without harming marine ecosystems, we need workers trained in eco-conscious practices like sustainable fishing, waste management in coastal towns, marine conservation education, which is what we do in VHS Africa podcast, and blue carbon finance, among so many other areas. So when we talk about green skills, we are also talking about empowering communities along Kenya's coast with the tools and knowledge to build climate resilience livelihoods that protect our oceans, especially the Indian Oceans. So the greener our skills, the bluer and healthier our blue economy becomes, and general and overall our economy becomes better when we have more greener and bluer practices in the ecosystem. So what can you do now? Number one, look out for green skills training in your area. You can get this in the TVETs that we have, online platforms, even some of our universities offer training in green skills and green jobs. Number two, think about how your current job or business can be made greener. You can either be using less plastic, reducing waste, going digital, or growing organic produce or producing organic products. Number three, follow organizations that are involved in this space: the Ministry of Environment, the Kenya Youth Employment and Opportunities Project, UNESCO, and so many other organizations for updates on what's going on. And then, lastly, start conversations. Share this knowledge in your chama, in your classrooms, in your social circles, because this strategy is about all of us, from the farmer to the fintech founder. The green economy is not a future thing, it's already here. Here are some real life green job ideas that are growing right now in Kenya. Installing solar panels in rural areas, growing organic herbs or superfoods for exports, starting a composting or recycling business, designing reusable packaging, teaching kids about climate and marine conservation, and building affordable housing with eco materials. So these aren't just buzzwords, this is the future of work and business. Hi there. So I hope you took the time to watch the video till the end, and I hope you found this very helpful. Please hit like and share it with someone who's thinking about career or business changes that are more eco-friendly, that are more green, and subscribe for more simplified takes on big issues affecting Africa. This is Julian, and you've been watching the BHS Africa podcast. Let's build greener, smarter, more inclusive futures together.